I'm Isabel Fortier, principal investigator at the Research Institute of the McGill University Health Center in Montreal, Canada. I'm an epidemiologist. My interest is in the development of tools aimed to help facilitating the life of the harmonizer and the cataloger. So everybody interested in documenting the data collected by the studies, as well facilitating the work of transforming those data collected in a common format that is then used to generate papers and research and knowledge, and document all that to be able to reuse the harmonized data generated as well. So my interest in the development of the tools to facilitate all that story. So what is interoperable? I think everybody developing tools, different tools at different places for different aim. For me, making these tools interoperable is making these tools able to work together, to exchange not only data, but exchange functionalities as well, and facilitate them then the common work, the working together. The story of the work package, in fact, EUCAN Connect is built on some group that were already working together or knowing each other, a new group that join as well. So it's a mixture of old friends and new friends, all working on harmonization, all facing the same challenges, but using different tools, answering to the challenge in different ways as well. So the aim of the package was to try to understand the complexity and the challenges of the different people initiative involved, and try to build a common understanding, not necessarily a common approach, but common understanding, and optimize the tools that were used to facilitate the life of the other people to come. Yes, facilitating our own life, but as well building the tools that on the long term can serve other groups as well. So the main achievement of the work package 4 are first the development of it's not a guideline, but an overview of what you need to think of before starting harmonizing data. So it's the story of all the challenges and the tool available to face the challenges that are appearing when you do harmonization. So it's a kind of a story of the life course of an harmonization project to help new people coming in the field to start the harmonization work more solid than we were when we started to work. The other thing that we did as well is the development of standards and software to facilitate the documentation of the study-specific data collected, but as well to facilitate the processing or the harmonized data and the documentation of the harmonization results. And that is, I think, really important, because if we document well the harmonization work done, it's easier then for others to use or learn from what we did and stop reinventing the wheel each time we are doing some harmonization. Finally, the other thing that we did is the development of R package. In fact, the harmonizer and the match shaper, it's 2 R package working together to facilitate the processing of the study-specific data under a common format and the documentation as well. So on the long term, what I would like to be the legacy of the work package, I think at first the life course paper that we did, I think can be particularly helpful for new investigator. But what I would like to see is, as all what we did is built not for EUCAN Connect, but for the scientific community. So I would like those two to be spread, used, and improve in the future. It's when you're using a tool that you're able to see the challenges or what is missing and what you need to change or improve. So having the feedback of the future user on the long term will help all the community to improve those tools and always have more cost-efficient ways to do the harmonization.